Today we're diving into a brand new study that could really shake up how we think about hair care. It's all about this popular anti-aging supplement, NMN, and for the very first time, scientists put it to the test on human hair. So let's get right into it. We usually think about hair care as something we put on our hair. Shampoos, conditioners, all those serums. But what if the real key to stronger, healthier hair isn't on the surface? What if it's about recharging it from the inside out, right at the cellular level? Okay, first, let's talk about something that, well, a lot of us know all too well. As we get older, our hair, it changes. Maybe it loses some shine, it starts to thin out. It's just a universal part of aging. And that's the big problem at the very heart of this study. And hey, it is not just in your head. The natural aging process, all that chronic stress, even what we eat, it can all throw our hair's natural growth cycle out of whack. And the result, yeah, it's thinning, less shine, and hair that just doesn't feel as full or as strong as it used to. So to really understand the potential fix this study is looking at, we need a super quick science lesson on two key molecules that are inside our bodies right now. First up, meet NAD+. Think of it like the battery pack for your cells. It's absolutely essential for, well, pretty much everything, from generating energy to repairing your DNA. Here's the catch, though. As we get older, our natural levels of NAD+, they start to drop. And that is exactly where NMN comes into the picture. NMN is what we call a precursor. Our bodies grab NMN and turn it directly into that NAD+ we just talked about. So the whole idea is pretty simple. If you supplement with NMN, you might be able to recharge those dropping NAD+ levels. So, with this really powerful idea in mind, scientists set up the first ever human clinical trial to ask a pretty straightforward question. Could recharging ourselves on the inside actually lead to visible, measurable changes in our hair? Here's how they set it up. It was actually really straightforward. They got a group of 15 healthy women in their 40s, right around the age where these hair concerns often start to pop up. Each one of them took a 500 milligram dose of NMN every single day for 12 weeks. Now, to measure the results, they didn't just ask, "So, how does your hair feel?" No way. They brought in some serious technology, high-res scans to precisely count every hair, powerful microscopes to see the quality of individual strands up close, and of course, detailed questionnaires to get the participants' own experiences. All right, this is the part we've all been waiting for. After those 12 weeks of taking NMN, what did the scientists actually find? Did it work? Wow, the difference here is pretty striking. These are actual trichoscan images from this study. On the left, that's the scalp before NMN, and on the right, that's after 12 weeks. I mean, just look at it. You can clearly see a big increase in the number of hairs that are in their active growth phase. And this was not a small change. The hard data showed a 57% jump in the density of what they call anagen, or actively growing hair. That really suggests the supplement was helping to kick more hair follicles into gear and keep them there. But it wasn't just about how many hairs there were. The quality changed too. These are incredible close-ups from a scanning electron microscope. Check out the before image on the left. You can see the hair cuticle looks kind of rough, a little frayed. Now, compare that to the after shot. It is visibly smoother, much more organized, just healthier looking. And the data back this up with thickness too. The average diameter of each hair strand actually increased. Now, these numbers might seem tiny, but think about it. When every single strand gets just a little bit thicker, that can really add up to an overall feeling of more volume and fullness. Okay, here's where things get a little weird, and it's really important that we talk about this. Because while the amount of growing hair went up, the researchers noticed something that seems totally backward. The total number of hairs actually went down. So what on earth is going on here? So first, let's just look at the number. The participants saw, on average, a 12% drop in their total hair density. At first glance, that seems to completely contradict all the other good news we just saw. So how do we make sense of this? Well, the researchers themselves point to one really crucial piece of context: timing. The study ran from September to December, and according to other research, that's a time of year when people naturally shed more hair, probably because of sun exposure from the summer. They think this seasonal effect might have hidden the positive impact of NMN on the total hair count. But hey, let's move away from the microscope for a second. because what the participants themselves reported was just overwhelmingly positive. They felt significant improvements all over the place, not just less fatigue, but hair that felt more elastic, glossier, and had more volume. And this is key, they felt like they were losing less hair.
So let's pull back. After looking at all this data, the good, the bad, and the confusing, what's the big takeaway here? How should we really interpret these findings?
Now, we have to be real about this. As promising as this study is, it had some pretty big limitations. I mean, it was tiny, only 15 people. There was no placebo group to compare against, which is a big deal. It was also pretty short, and the results might not apply to men or women of different ages or backgrounds. So, what's the bottom line? This is a landmark study. It's the first of its kind. It gives us some really exciting early clues that NMN could genuinely improve our hair's growth cycle and quality. But, and this is a big but, it is just the first step. The next thing we need are bigger, longer, placebo-controlled studies to see if this is the real deal. And that kind of leaves us with this one last fascinating question. For decades, we've been treating hair from the outside. But maybe, just maybe, this new science is showing us that the next frontier in hair care is all about looking inward and focusing on the fundamental energy of ourselves. The journey to find out is really just getting started.